Jimmy Kimmel is an American television host and comedian. He is best known as the host and executive producer of Jimmy Kimmel Live. Kimmel has hosted the Primetime Emmy Awards 3 times. The most significant development in Jimmy Kimmel's career as of September 18, 2025 is ABC's indefinite suspension of Jimmy Kimmel Live, announced on September 7, 2025. This decision follows backlash over Kimmel's comments during a recent monologue linking the assassination of conservative activist Charlie Kirk to President Donald Trump's MAGA movement. Kirk, a prominent right-wing figure and founder of Turning Point USA, was fatally shot earlier in September 2025 by a suspect named Taylor Robinson, whose political motivations were initially unclear but later disputed. September 15, 2025 episode Kimmel definitively stated that the killer was a MAGA supporter, suggesting the murder was tied to right-wing extremism. Kimmel was born on November 13, 1967 in Brooklyn, New York City in the Mille Basin neighborhood. He is the eldest of 3 children of Joan of Italian descent and James John Kimmel, with the family name tracing back to the German Kimmel. Raised Catholic, Kimmel served as an altar boy in his youth. His family relocated to Las Vegas when he was 9 years old. Kimmel started his media career in high school by hosting a Sunday night interview show on UNLV's college radio station QNV. While at Arizona State, he became a frequent caller to Phoenix's KZZP-FM afternoon show. In 1989, he secured his first paid radio gig as co-host of the Me and Him show at Seattle's KJOK-FM alongside Kent Voss. Kimmel married Gina Maddie in 1988. They divorced in 2002 and have 2 children, Catherine and Kevin. He became a grandfather in May 2025. From 2002 to 2009, he dated comedian Sarah Silverman. In 2013, he married Molly McNerney, a co-head writer on Jimmy Kimmel Live, with whom he has 2 children, Jane and William Billy John. Billy was born with a rare congenital heart defect, tetralogy of fellow with pulmonary arteria, requiring open heart surgery at 3 days old. Kimmel has since advocated for children's health issues. In 2004, during an ABC NBA Finals halftime segment, he joked that Detroit might burn if the Pistons won, leading to the show's immediate cancellation and an apology. In 2020, he apologized for past blackface impersonations of Oprah Winfrey and Carl Maloney from The Man Show, as well as using a racial slur in a 1996 Snoop Dogg skit. On September 7, 2025, Kimmel won an Emmy for hosting a celebrity edition of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire.